Hello, ma'am. Are you there? Hello.
Oh,
Yeah,
am I?
hi, ma'am. Yeah, it's good now, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm sorry for the delay.
Yeah, it's okay. That's fine now. Not an issue. So, how was the
Yeah,
day? How was it going?
yeah, it's good.
Nice. So, a little bit hectic day, but still finally
Yes.
managed.
Mm-hmm.
Understood. So, just let me introduce myself, ma'am. My name is Kishore. I'm an operations manager for BPS Cyber Planet Info Solutions and also CJN, uh, what we are going to talk about discussion. And also we have Sishma, she's a business coordinator, and Kushi, she's a project manager too, and Yogesh is a admin head. So,
Okay.
ma'am, let's start with your college details. Can you please tell me about how many branches are there in your college and how many TPOs are there?
Yeah, actually, our institute name is Sikkim Institute of Science and Technology. It is the first engineering college, government engineering college in Sikkim. So
That's nice.
currently, we just have two branches, that is
Okay.
computer engineering and civil engineering.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have an intake of only 40 students, 40 each in both the
40
streams.
each.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So, do you have any sports club, cultural activities clubs, or anything?
Yeah, we have several clubs and all, and we have student affairs who is looking after all the student activities and all those things.
So, ma'am, I'm gonna share you the screen
Mhm.
where you can better understand what exactly CGN and what is CGN and everything. Uh, you able to see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
And ma'am, CGN, why CGN? What exactly CGN? The agenda that we are trying to meet HMOs, HODs, and also TPOs for all the colleges throughout the pan India.
Hmm.
We just wanted to be a proper platform for students, teachers, and also for employers. So where student can find a proper job, proper training, internship, and all in one platform. And why it is CGN? Why it is CGN? Because we recently started with all our ideas keeping in one platform where student can come only uh, find his benefits like anywhere
Can
throughout
I
in
can I
India,
ask
even
one
in
question here?
yeah, sure, ma'am, please.
Yeah, I can see that only I am there. From other colleges, it is not there. So you are doing one-to-one or interaction, or what is
No,
it?
actually, we are trying to meet people every 2 hours or something because based on the availability of the TPOs and HODs, we are conducting interviews. I mean meetings.
Okay.
So today we have only only you. So that's the reason we
Okay.
are connected.
Okay. And one more, like, is this regarding, like, we are following this AICT 360-degree feedback, which is
Right.
run by Smart Cookie,
Yeah, right. Right.
right? So it is in association with that only, right?
Right. We affiliated with AICT and Internship. We are
Okay.
smart cookies, and in going forward, I'm gonna explain you all this about in very quickly. We have 13 slides,
Okay.
so where you can get all the details. And also, when I was giving a presentation, you can stop me whenever you want, and if you have any questions, and also if you want to give any feedback to the same, any ideas, anything. So it will be always welcome from your side. And just when you have any doubt, please quickly stop me there, and you can ask me any question.
Okay.
So as I mentioned, you all these are the agenda points where we focusing about CGN, where how to create a CGN. I mean, how to create a proper bridge for student and their job and the colleges, everything in a one platform. Where student, just for an example, currently some students from local area or villages from a tribal area. So people, students might go to some institutes, they'll pay money, and they're after that again they'll come to the college, then they'll start exploring for a job. And all. So this is the right platform for each and every single student, even in entire India, anyone, any student, where this is the first step now. This is CGN app application which we build, and the student needs to enroll in this CGN portal from the college. And we also connected with multiple social media platforms where students can enroll themselves, and also there are lots of ways to reach out. And CGen is an app where you will find thousands of openings, interviews, offers, and everything in a single app where student can join after registering to the Smart Cookies in our startup world and everywhere. So we will be assigned with training and assessments by scanning this QR scanner, and he'll be moving to the assessment. And after assessments on the same moment, he'll be released his results, how much he's giving his best and all. And next he'll move to the interviews once he's in the grace period of his internship and all. After that, once his performance, if he's interview room, if he given best, and he'll move to the job offers. This all will be on the right side. The list of companies what we have, and what other companies are hiring, what kind of hiring they're having, and also what are the roles, and what are the roles and responsibilities, what are the domains they are hiring. Everything will be displayed in one single app, which is the CGN. And it will be very useful for the student, where he should not go somewhere, a newspaper to find a job, or he no need to find a job from internet or somewhere. So directly the student, when until his internship time, grace period, the time what he's giving, by the time he can do everything in a single portal. And also at the same time you also can find how your college students are giving at what level they're giving their best, and everything in the same portal. You can track them in a real time as well. And also this app will be given access to the corporate and corporate employees like HRs and all, where they can identify which candidate is doing best and what role they have, and they directly can pick them. So most of the these days then they are offering the jobs. But what about the remaining students? We are having lots of talent. With the people, students have lots of enthusiastic energy, and but they don't know how to explore the world. I mean, his skills, and sometimes they might be lacking of communication skills, lack of the student might having the skills, but he don't have a proper knowledge to find the right job, or right way to what is the right way to approach and everything, and what are the right domain to take an internship and everything. So all will be included in one app, which is this our app. This is a TV screen layout, which looks like. And also we came up with another solution, which is a video version. These days, most of the students, not only students, even an experienced candidates, just more than 5 years or 6 years, anyone, any job portion, the person who is giving for going for a job interviews or anything, they'll send a resume through PDF, doc, or Word file, or a by hand picture or profile or resume. So we came up with a solution that, and also which is we prepare a video resume for the student by his own, and student will prepare his own video resume by reading himself, explaining what his qualification, what is the domains, what he done, and how many internships have he done, and all will be in a video resume, which is hardly 4 to 5 minutes, and which resumes will be uploaded in our channel, which I'm gonna tell you, which is the channel MSGN in the project. And so from there, the HR teams and everyone will pick the video resume, and they'll find the better person, and okay, this is the right one. And the first impression is the best impressions, right? So in normal resumes, we can't find the communication, how the students and how the person's communication skills are. But preparing a video resume, it will be more easy and I have to identify HRs. Oh, this candidate is good and his communications is good and his performance is good. In a single click, without reading step by step, paragraph to paragraph, it will be uploaded in a video report. So it will be easy to understand for corporate companies. So this is how exactly looks a screen. And this is the application which was developed by our intern students as well, actually. And this is how it says looks like Android and Google Chrome and everywhere. And almost we are ready to, in very soon we are going to launch in iOS also, Apple mobiles as well. So this is how the student needs to join once he enroll. Here it is a training which he needs to click on it. He needs to join the room by scanning a QR code. And after that, assessments, interviews, same like step by step, everything will be happen by step by step. You have any questions to Norman?
No, basically, after these two slides, what I understand is you are actually a platform where you are incorporating all the like companies who are offering jobs, and the students can log in here and see the details, right?
Not only the details,
Mm-hmm.
the
And
students can join they need to
mhm.
join internship here. And the best example, currently your students might going to the internship somewhere
Mm-hmm.
and that institutes or something, they don't provide the jobs. In
Yes.
100 out of 80%, 90%, they don't provide the jobs. They'll just only train them. And
Mm-hmm.
again, the students need to find a job by seeing a newspaper or either reference or being a good performer from the college. Then the companies will come and hire them. So, but here, after internship, we will train him with the communications, with the skills and domain, what kind of domain, technical, IT, computer science, arts, commerce, whatever, any kind, even accounts, everything will be trained here. After the training, he'll be given assessments and same way, he'll be moving to the interview rooms, the companies, the right set, the interviews. I mean, these are do you see advertisement bar?
Yes.
Yeah. So the list of companies what we have thousands of companies listed for the each every day. Most of every company needs new hiring. They do every day every hiring, up to 1,000 openings every day. So that will be listed in our portal. So he can directly choose which kind of job he requires and what kind of role he is looking for and which company, the dream jobs, whatever. Directly he can choose from here and directly he can apply for a job from our portal and the same interview will be scheduled from the our end, which is interviewed by scanning a QR code. We'll move into the interview room with HR and after that job offer. So this is how a single app which is called.
So this the student has to go through all these phases, or he can just directly go to job offer.
No, he can't go to the job offer because he need to do his internship first. Right? So he need to register in our portal with
Mm-hmm.
his details, which year he is, which college he is in, and everything will be done. And we have Startup World, which is lots of projects are been running there, and the Startup World will help him to give the project, and the senior team manager or someone will be monitoring him. And after his internship, by the edge of his internship, then he'll be moving to the assessments and interviews and job offers.
Okay.
Yeah, in one single click. So we are trying to collaborate with each and every single college throughout the pan India. We have recently started since 3 months back, and we almost uh, uh, already signed with. And we want interns who can work on these developments and also this, as I mentioned, this application was already most of the applications what we were using and tools what we have created, which was created by our intern students as well. And our company is running since last 22 years in Pune. So yes, we need people who is enthusiastic, energetic, and good in learning things. This is one. And moving to the next slide. You have any more questions now?
No, please continue.
Yeah. And moving to the next one, which is windmill of student power. The windmill of student power, which is jobs, hobbies, recognition, technical engineering, mentor, and reward points. There's lots of things is going in of windmill of student power, which is how to build his career. I mean, what is his hobbies, and as you mentioned that you have clubs and all, like sports club or activities club, coding. So
Yes, we have.
yeah, at the same way, we have to find the student power. What are the power? I mean, how to increase his skills and how to collaborate with multiple tasks and how to do his work on live projects and all that. So this is how the internship of the student windmill power. And we have lots of, as I mentioned, we have a startup world, we have lots of projects, which is all the domains, like we have media, we have technical, non-technical, IT, Python, Java, AI, all domains. And this is how the implementation of NEP 2020 of OJT, which is on-job training, windmill of student energy, and internship at college. So we are trying to meet decision makers like you, HODs, and we will assign some project departmental coordinations, and we'll select some enthusiastic students to run a CGN program who can develop a CGN in more better way that who to reach throughout the India, even in a reach to the tribal areas also, even in villages, cities, everywhere where CGN can run anywhere in India. And to create a technology team leaders, we create technology team leaders from the colleges, every colleges, and also identify energy coordinators where students spend their time, such as clubs, as you mentioned, you have a club. So we'll create a certain kind of things with the students, and also they prepare KYC documents, how to enroll in the application, how to submit his documents, I mean, everything. And create a management team leader, like we have Kushi in our team. So she was a very recent joining from a college intern person. And like this, we'll create one management team leader. From under this team leader, we create creative team leaders and student member enrollment and the sponsor advisors and contractors, student teams, and the CGN contact connect to the sponsors, advisors, and employers. I mean, to corporate companies and also everywhere. Train the team leaders in a proper way where that they can finish their task on time and collaborate with his team members, how their performance, what they're doing, and we'll train each and every single aspect with the communication, what are the best way for communications and all, and employers contacts and scheduling and plan season clubs, like we'll create a club in your college where all the kind of activities will be happening with his performance, how his activities will, all kind of activities will be launched in CGN as well. And the key areas of focus, I mean, the key areas to be focused for students everywhere. So 99% we know how to find a job, but just randomly we'll try for a job. But the way how to find a jobs and how to give interviews in the right time and how to give a presentation about himself. And as I mentioned, your first impression is the best impression. So always try to he need to shine the skills like jobs and interviews and employability and corporate building, which is open positions, what are the opening positions at what time, and the resumes, how to prepare a resume. Even as I told you, we have came up with a solution of a video resume where we can send it in our portal where corporate HRs, everyone will be picking the resumes from there with PDF and also doc file, whatever, any kind of. and also how to find a dream job. Every student have the wishes to find work on a different dream. Like sometimes, if I want to work on TCS, I can how to find a job in TCS and how to approach the company coordinators and how to give his best. And also finding after finding a job, how to find the right team members, right employers, way to shine his skills and all. So these are the key focus areas we need to more focus on this. And this is our delivery method where broadcasting TV and campus TV, college channels, AICT channels. As I mentioned, we are affiliated with AICT and their international and UGC channels and Swayam Prabha channels and internet TVs. And so these all will be uh, everything will be delivered in these broadcast channels or these TV channels. And interaction strategies. This strategy is like CGN will try to build a real-time feedback, implementing AI technology to gather internship feedback, and also campaigns and friends. I mean, we need only students, apart from his own joining, I'll refer my co-fellows to join CGM and to get projects, real-time projects, and get an experience, and also get a broadcast with viewers. I mean, it will be everything will be displayed in our channel. So CGM channel, it will be more easy to identify, and we will do real-time social media activities, which will be sharing in social media, LinkedIn profile, Instagram, all kind of profiles will be using. And the Protsahan Mudra rewards, where each student will, I mean, one more point, which is every student, based on his performance, the student will be getting a reward points, which will be added to his profile, where he can see himself, even corporate employers, HRs, and the colleges will can be see his profile by CGM application, but directly by clicking his profile, by clicking my profile, you can directly see what kind of activities I'm doing, what are the domain. And based on that, he'll be getting a reward points, which will be helping student to get to his next level by finding, if I find a one resume from your college, from CGN, I'll see what this candidate is having a 5 star, this candidate is having a 4.5 star. So based on that, reward points will be it will be more helpful for him to identify the HRs and employers. And these are the show ideas where this CGN has created, because the career explanation advisors and a day in life of professionals, job search and recruiting, industry specific and careers, startups and enthusiastships, and also company size and culture, personal branding and skill development, transaction and unique career situations, delivery and including the workplace, specializer, career path, and branding and informatics. So these are the show ideas where CGN is focusing and to build a more simplified is to more accurate with each and every single student. And as I told you very earlier, that is we have another team called which is GNM. The jobs, as I showed you that they are the job ads which was posted in CGN portal. So that will be posted from the different another team which is GNM team Job News Network. So the what we will do is we have a list of companies and list of jobs in our portal. So that will be posted by reading from the anchor, and it will be posted. It will be doing which a raw video record where will be record will be done, and it will be edited by the video editors. And after that, if after again we'll do a quality checking, then it will be uploaded into the raw file. From there, final check and final audio inputs, everything will be done, and it will be posted in YouTube channel and as well as our CGN portal, where it will be displayed in all social media platforms. That is GNN Pro. And the summary of team required, which we are required is for CGN, it is content creation writer, technical support team, marketing and outreach team, user and engagement team, live events and webinar teams, and analysis and improvement team, community building team, feedback loop team, and also finding evaluation team. So these are the team required for the summary for the CGN and all technical support like we can say data science, data analyst, or also DevOps, QA testing tools, any all kind of technology support we need required. And uh, this is CGN team members required currently, which is technology where who can support our tool to be more advanced with live streaming or more accurate without any issues and all. And marketing, we need a marketing person who can collaborate with our social media and exploit what is CG and everything. And program schedulers who can do programming and all, and program TV program skills like programming to curate, organize, and present the TV content, which is live shows and all. And a production team, which is cameraman, editors, video editors, a script writer, director, and assistants. These are the current CGN team requirements. And this is what all about the CGNM. And also, you might think it might be a costly or somewhat paid. No, it's a free internship where no student needs to be paid 1 rupee also. They can directly join us by joining into our CGN portal by registering themselves in Smart Cookies Startup World, where from there he'll be getting assignments and everything. You just anywhere work from home. If it's completely work from home. So the motto of this CGN is no student need to struggle to find a job by having even if he's having a skills, but he don't know how to approach at what time and at what are the areas need to be focused. This all will be helpful for student by working with CGN internship. It's completely free. You send your students for free and will train for free. So how do you feel this idea? And do you have any questions?
Yeah, now, what do you expect from our side? Like, should I pass on the information about CZN to the students so that they enroll and then
Yes,
they
ma'am. I mean, we
benefit
need,
from that?
yes, exactly. So, I have sent you some documents with MOU,
Yes,
if
yes.
you guys are okay with us, and you can, agreement, we can do a MOU sign and you can send it to us, then we'll be, how many students, if you have 20 students, if you can send those 20 students to our portal, and the HR team will be registering them in our portal, and they'll be segregated to the different teams. If someone is wants to join the operations management and project management, we'll take care. Someone if wants to join DevOps, my manager will be taking care of it, DevOps manager. So that will be segregated and that will be assigned to them, and they'll be doing his tasks on day by day.
Okay, so which year student are you looking for? Like
Third and
the
fourth year,
final year students or third year
third year
students?
and fourth year, third
Third
year
year
and
and
fourth.
fourth year, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So I've understood your this thing. So I have to talk to our director, sir,
Sure.
regarding and then regarding the MOU, we'll just have a discussion, and then I'll let you know
Yeah, sure,
what
ma'am.
what
Sure.
should be done ahead.
So how do you like this idea about CG and everything? I mean, how what
The idea
any
is good
feedback?
because the student is getting everything in one platform, and you are
Right,
combining internship as well as job opportunities together.
right.
So yeah, it will be benefiting the students,
Yes, ma'am. Any
right?
student
And
currently any student is ready to do interest. I mean, doing for interest in joining internship right now, or anyone who can.
yeah, I think students are there because they are doing their major project, so they might be interested, and many third year student may also be interested in because you are
Yes,
offering
please.
free of cost
Yeah,
internship. So
yeah,
I think
exactly.
yeah, students will be interested,
Thank you very much, ma'am. So
right?
hopefully you are just a quick second, ma'am. Our Avinash Kulkarni, the CEO, he
Hmm.
just joined. Just I want to introduce him.
Okay.
Just give me a quick second. Uh, good morning, sir. Avinash, sir. Avinash Kulkarni, he's from US and he established, I mean, he he's working from US and since very long time. And he's our CEO and he's the uh, person who came up with the solution of CGN to reach out to the students. Avinash, sir, are you there? And to be very frank, he's having lots of ideas, thoughts, and he's very amazing person that he always gives best for to come up with new ideas, new thoughts about student energy and all windmill, all these ideas which was came from this. Avinash sir, are you there? Sir, you are on a mute, sir. Hello. Avinash sir, we
Yeah,
have
good morning.
Pratibha Rai from Sikkim Institute of Science and Technology. Pratibha ma'am, meet Mr. Avinash sir Kulkarni, Avinash Kulkarni from Sikkim. He's the CEO of our company.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Ma'am, good evening to you. How are you?
I'm great, sir. Or should I say good morning to you?
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's bright early morning,
Yeah.
7:35.
Mm-hmm.
So how did you find the concept and what we are trying to do?
Yeah, the concept is good. It is great. I hope the students take the benefit of this. They register. They go through the all the process, and they take advantage of this. Then it will be helpful for them.
Yeah, that's what we are also hoping.
Mm-hmm.
Only unless we try, we won't know. Uh, no, fortunately, this is an area where they all have to apply for the jobs. So
Yes.
hopefully it will help them.
Mm-hmm.
And so for internship. And
Mm-hmm.
fortunately for us from AICTE side, uh, they have decided to connect their internship portal as well as their job portal
Mm-hmm.
to CJN. So hopefully that will also give a lot of traction.
Yes. And
So
regarding, because our institute is at a remote location, so
right,
the students will definitely benefit from this.
exactly. And another thing what we want to do is to use the student power and talent
Mm-hmm.
to build this project.
Yes.
So even that is a good experience.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so what kind of students do you have? Are they uh, mostly technical students or are they non-technical?
No, we are technical institute, but currently we are running only two streams, two branches, that is computer engineering and civil engineering.
Oh, okay. Definitely we can try using. You are in Sikkim.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, very nice. How is the weather there?
Weather
Uh,
now, summer
uh,
is starting, hopefully. The cold is gone.
oh, cold is gone. But
Yes.
does it get very hot in the month of
No, no,
May?
no, no, it does not get hot. Here, maximum you can expect as 35, not more than that. That will also
Oh,
be too much.
oh, I see. Okay, good to know. Because I might come to India next month,
Okay,
uh, and we used to conduct special session for agriculture students,
okay.
and there was one Dr. Subrato from Sikkim that had joined
Mm-hmm.
our meeting. He does a lot of work there in agrotech, so he always used to say we should come to Sikkim. So
Mm.
I talk remember that.
Mm. We have one agriculture college in Sikkim, the
Oh,
central. Mhm. So if you make plans to visit Sikkim, then you can visit our institute as well.
definitely we'll do that.
Yes.
So Kishore,
Yes, sir.
let's make sure follow up properly and get the
Yeah,
students connected to us.
sure, sir, sure. We'll take care.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, you have all the necessary paperwork to, get the students connected to us. Do you want to go through the MOU process? How is it in your college?
No, I'll have to discuss this with our director, sir. And the MOU draft has been sent to me, so I'll just go through that MOU and we'll have a discussion in our college, and then I'll let Kishore know about the further, what we have to do.
Sure.
And one more question I had, like even if we don't go for MOU, can the students still register if they are interested?
Oh, yeah. Internship, they can start from today.
Okay.
Startupworld.in. Kishore, I'm
Yeah.
sure you are given that website. So there is a website called startupworld.in. They can go in, register themselves, see the list of the projects, indicate what project they are interested in,
Mm-hmm.
and a team leader
Yeah.
from our side them.
Okay. And this can be entirely work from home, no?
Yeah, it's
Entirely work.
Hmm.
This is the startup gold page, man, what the student needs to register himself. And
Okay.
once he's done with his details and everything, next we'll assign the work. And then they can start his work,
Okay.
internship and everything.
Mhm. I have one more query because I've
Yeah.
been dealing with this AICT 360-degree feedback, which is hosted by Smart Cookies.
Right.
But
Yeah.
we are facing a lot of difficulties in that, So whenever we try to connect with them, there is no proper response. So are
Uh,
you trying to manage that also?
how did you try to connect? Email or by a phone
Email,
call?
email.
The problem is the emails are going to AICT. So unless they send it to us, we wouldn't
Mhm.
know.
Okay.
But now that I know about your problem,
Mm-hmm.
Kishore, have
Yeah.
Komal call them and
Yes, sir.
Komal
Yes,
can
sir.
help their problems. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll advise.
So we have a help desk, ma'am, and there
Mm-hmm.
is a help desk phone number
Okay.
uh, on our site, smartcookie.in.
Mm-hmm.
But I will have somebody call you.
Yes, yes. Please.
Sure, sir. I'll take care of it.
Any other questions, ma'am?
No, I think it's okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. It was nice meeting you. And hopefully, if you can meet in person when you come here, then it'll be
We
great.
will, we will come. I've never been to Sikkim, so I would
Okay.
love to come.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Kishore,
Thank you,
continue.
sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Pratibha. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So, can
I
I,
have,
yeah.
yeah, you have MOU and all everything. And also,
Mm-hmm.
I have shared you the list of domains what we have, and also which
Mm-hmm.
is a startup, www.startupworld.in. So anything, if you without MOU also, students directly reach out to us, and you have my contact number in the email. So anytime you can please feel free, and you can text me, you can call me at any time.
Okay.
Any
Okay.
question, anything.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Regarding this smart cookie issues, no, I'll call you
Yeah, smart
within two,
cookies.
3 days.
Yeah, sure. For smart
Mhm.
cookies, we have also, yeah, anything, even smart cookies or even for internship also, students internship.
Mhm.
So anything
Okay.
you can check out.
Mhm. Okay, sir. Then.
Thank you, thank you. Any more questions?
Yeah.
Do you have?
No, no. If
Sure,
I
ma'am.
get any
Yeah,
queries from the students, then I'll
yeah,
directly connect with you in WhatsApp.
yeah, sure. That will be helpful. No issues,
Mm.
no worries.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
an honor to
Thank
talk to
you.
you. Enjoy
Yeah.
your day.
Okay.
Yogesh, stop the record. Sishma and Kushi will meet in Google Meet, okay? Kushi, are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in after 15 minutes, we'll connect in Google Meet, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so we'll catch you back in 15.